Hello everyone, I'm Priya. Today I'm going to explain you about the web OPAC screen. So I'm going to explain in two ways, one in the admin perspective and another in the user perspective. So to get this screen you have to type demo.easylib.net. So you can just log in. Now I'm going to explain for the admin. So I will type the login credential and click on login as library staff. So you can see the login got successful. So this is how the screen will display when the login is successful. Here you can see there are different sections. So first here you can see in this section there are three subsections. So one is explore, one is announcements, and one is useful links. So here announcements, it can be done daily onto the basis or regarding any events happening in the colleges or any wishes. It can be if any like unexpected holidays has been, you can just declare it, that will be visible to everyone. This is a useful links like IEEE papers, any books or any magazines, though, so that links can be entered here. And these are the featured books where you can see here all about the books. You can see other books are also displayed here, varieties. So this is the photo where you can see like recent events had happened like sports or any cultural fest, so that it can be uploaded here. And these are the total number of books and have been displayed. So now coming to the main point as OPAC. Sorry, here you can see there are many icons present here from A to Z. So here now I'll see now for web OPAC search is nothing but searching the books based on requirements. So you can see here there are all the categories like title, author, publisher, subject, ISBN, publish year, etc. So based on this you can search the books. So now I'll click the title as software testing. So I want the books based on software testing. So I'll click on the search button. See, so it takes from the software where it searches where are the books are there, and the total result will be displayed. You can see there are 41 records out of 76,927 records. So these are the books you can see here. Going to the next, you can see based on many books. So now here there are only 5 entries. If I want 10 entries, I can take the 10 entries. See, you can see there are 10. If you want at the time 100, you can take it as 100 items. So these are all the like varieties of books. See here in the left side, you can search based on the books project. You can search even based on the authors, publishers, or if you want to even search on the subjects, but when the book was published, which year it was published, you can search. See, now I'll give the name as, now I will search type as author. So I'll click on at author and type Edward and click on search button. See, you can see the data is getting processed at the back end, and then the result will be displayed here. See, you can see there are 7 books out of 41 which was sub filtered. So you can see the Edward, wherever the Edward word is present, the book has been and the record has been displayed. So if you want, you can explore. If you want, just click on any book. If you click on any book, it goes to that pages so that you can see the PDF. See, you can see, you can see the status. If you click on the book, you will come to know how many copies are there, what is the status, what is the category, whether like you can take it or it is just for reference, then in which location it is displayed. Then you can click on related physical materials. If there are any materials, you can see one like digital material. So based on that, you can search the books. Now I'll do based on the branch. So I'll click on Bangalore branch and click on search. So I'll now type on as the at title. See, you can see there are like many other books based on the like home branch and which Bangalore branch. What is the home branch? It is Bangalore branch. So what is the title? So these are all the books available in the Bangalore branch. So if you click on the law branch and click on at title, you can see where and all the law branches title has been displayed, so the records will be displayed. So at present there are no books based on the law, so there are no records based on that. So now we'll go to the home page. So here you can see these are all the different icons. So if you click on a icon, this is all related to the customer search report. Here you can search based on the title, types, accession number, range, publishers, etc. So now I'll click on the title as True Calling and click as enter. See, you can see there are there are total 24 records out of when it got filtered. So and now you want to, even if you want, you can what search based on the types, authors, publishers. Now you want to export or like into the form of Excel sheet. You can't just copy, just there is an option here, export. So before that, if you want to add still more columns, or you don't want the like don't want the department, or you don't want the publisher, so you can just go to the show or hide columns. You can see you can add the columns, or if you don't want, you can remove the column. See, the title of the column has been removed, and based on which category is required, you can select it and you can click on the export button. After clicking on export button, it just get download and you can use it. So next icon button is C. This is for the all library groups. This is for creating the different types of groups, like the librarians can create the group separate for lectures, for the non-teaching staffs, then for the students based on the department or based on the category or based on the branch, based on the semester, so that whatever the information is there, you can just forward it together. So next icon is called as D. D is nothing but digital subscriptions. These digital subscriptions are all related to the URL links. So if you want to just see, you can see here the subscription number, title, and what is the URL link, and what is the like class number, use all the other details has been displayed. If you want, you can put it in the form of PDF format. If you want, you can even export this Excel sheet. So next is called as E. E is nothing but the like e-search books. So here you can see there are many most viewed books, and here you can see recently updated books. This is similar to the first screen which I have explained. So if you now click on Java and fundamentals, so you can see there are like drop down options has come. So if you click on Java and click on search button, you can see there is only one book regarding with this name. So if you want, you can view the copy. If you want, you can download. If you click on view the copy, there is like maybe there is some URL problem, so it couldn't open, but if you click on that, you can see the book. So next is P. P is nothing stands for the periodical list. Periodical list is like where it holds all the periodicity like vendors, whether it is a which publications, which subject related, when was it published, and like how many year it is like subscribed. And if you want, you can have the even, and if you want, you can even filter based on the alphabets required. If you want to search based on the biotechnology, you can click on biotechnology. If you want to search on computer, you can search click based on the C. So you can search based on the requirements. So next is Q. Okay, nothing but the quick search. As you can see here, there are you can filter the option by keyword or by subject or by publisher author. So now if I click on subject, you can see there are many. So now I'll click on G. You can see the records has been subject has been filtered based on the G letters. So this is how you can get the data easily when it is used for quick search. Next is L. L stands for the own publication list. As you know, like many students will have the wish to publish their own articles or their papers, so that You can even help the students to publish whether it is an international publications or it is an Indian publication, so that students can whether publish their own publications. So you can see their details will be filled along with the URL which is the publications they have published. Their details and all will be published here, so they can even refer for the research papers, etc. Next is stands for M. M is nothing but the classic main search. Here you can search based on the what you want, article search or subscription search, search, digital subscription search, advanced search. So if I click on title, software, testing and click on search. Here you can see that screen has come here and the records will be displayed based on the title software testing. See, when I click there on software testing, all the records display regarding the software testing. So this is how the search can be done easily. Now next is NA. What is NA? Here new arrivals. For example, you have got some new books or some new journals. So you can like see you will enter those details recently and it will be like in the form of report. If you want, even you can export it. You can give the how many number of days. So you can see the total 51,707 total records, and you can even get the records based on the total number of days you have entered. If you want, you can take it for 100. If you want, you can take it for 50. For example, let's click now 50 and get. See, among 50 days only 2 books have been added. So next is for PD. Here PD is nothing but personal digital library. So here you can select each department will have their own library. So you can just click on the which department they want. I'll click on biotechnology and click on subject whichever is required and I'll click on search. You can see there are no data available. I click on computer science and engineering and search. Unless there is no data, it cannot be displayed. So if there is any data present in your own system, the data will be displayed. So next is EBT. What is EBT? This is like ebook type search. So now you can search based on ebook, handbook, question papers. Like for exam to prepare, if you want they can schedule the file, or if you want to faculty publications, like if they have any exams, they can refer the book based on the here search. So next is ERC. So this is like ebook course wise. See, you can see here which course has which section and how many copies that book is present. So English, humanities, 2 books. So if you click on humanities, you can see the books detail will be displayed here, and if you want you can click on the download the copy, the book gets downloaded. Next, click on the O. O is nothing but the OPAC search. So this is how where you get all the details. You can give the announcements, feature. If you want, you can give the test like software testing and click on search. See, all the books related to that word has been displayed here. If you want, you can sort based on that department. You can sort based on the subject. If you want, you can select the publishers. Or if you want, you can even select the author. So based on that, you can search the books. So this is all the work is done by the admin. Now for example, I'll show how what the user can get to know the information about this screen. So I will just log in as user and click on as library user. See, you can get to know whether which person has login. So the screen everything will be similar, only the one thing will change is if when you click on the name, here you can see different what are the categories the user can see. These are all the details in which user details like name, their member ID, which department, what is the branch, user profile, then addresses of the person name. So if you want, you can check here books borrowed. So this person has not borrowed any books. Books requested, here you can even request for the books here based on that requirement. So next you can even click which are your favorite books. Some like many one book will be their favorite, so not only one book, there will be more books which will be their favorite, so they can select. Next is on my find on books, like there are the books you don't have, so you have to have the find. So this here you get the information about which are the books there are on due. My documents, here the my documents refer to the certificates, like you have participated in any other webinar, the college has to give the seminar, they can just upload it and the student can just log in and just download the documents. It will be a digital document. So these are the like public, these are the my digital library. So when you click on like here are the where are the book, new books and all will be refreshed here, based on that all the books will be displayed. Next, here all in out history, when this person was logged in, when the person was logged out. So these are all the different categories when the user logins finds to go through the explore this page. So if there are in here, they can give even the feedbacks. So here this goes to the feedback link. So if you want any, the like college has wanted to give like exam survey or the SEMS end survey or exit survey, so they can just put the form and the student can fill and like give their feedback. So I hope everyone understood about what this OPAC screen. It helps to you a lot when you open this screen. So thank you everyone, stay safe, stay home.